Welcome to JG Basic English.
Hi, Lucas. Are you ready?
Hi, Anna. Yes, I'm ready. I'm a little nervous, but excited too.
Don't worry, it's going to be fun. The trail is beautiful. Let's go.
Okay, I have everything. Water, snacks, and my jacket. How long will it take to get there?
It's about 30 minutes by car. The road is nice and it's a calm drive.
Great. I've never been to this place before. What will we see?
We'll see a lot of trees and a beautiful lake at the top. It's really peaceful.
Sounds good. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. Oh, don't forget to bring your sunglasses. It's going to be sunny today.
Good idea. I'll put them on now.
I'm so happy we're doing this. It's always nice to get out of the city and enjoy nature.
Yes, I agree. I spend so much time studying. It's nice to have a break.
Exactly. Hiking is a great way to relax and have fun, and it's good exercise too.
Wow, I can't wait to see that. It sounds amazing.
After about 30 minutes, they reached the start of the trail.
We're here. This is the start of the trail.
Wow, it looks nice. The air is fresh and it's so quiet.
Yes, I love that. It's a great place to relax. Are you ready to start?
I'm ready. I'll follow you.
Great. Remember, we'll take breaks if we need to.
Got it. Let's do it.
After about 2 hours of hiking, Anna and Lucas finally reached their destination, the top of the hill, where they could see the river and enjoy the beautiful view.
Wow, look at this. The river is beautiful.
Isn't it amazing? The water looks so clear and peaceful.
I've never seen a river like this before. It's so calm, and the mountains make it even better.
I know. This is my favorite part of the hike. It's so relaxing here.
I can see why. It's so quiet. I feel like I'm in another world.
Exactly. It's the perfect place to take a moment and just enjoy the view.
It's incredible. Do you come here often?
Yes, I do. I love coming here to escape from everything. It's so peaceful.
I understand why now. I'm really happy we came here.
Me too. It was definitely worth the walk.
This is so relaxing. I think I could stay here all day.
I know, but we still have to walk back. We can stay here for a few more minutes, though.
I'm enjoying this a lot. Next time we can bring a picnic.
That's a great idea. We can enjoy the nature even more.
It's getting late, Lucas. I think we should start heading back.
I'm ready. I'm a little tired, but I think I can make it.
It was time to turn back. The way back to the parking lot felt a little different, but just as rewarding.
Wow, that was a great hike. We're almost back to the car.
Yeah, it feels good to walk back down. My legs aren't so tired anymore.
The way down is much easier, right? And we've got some nice views along the way.
True, I can see the river again from here. It looks different from this angle, but still beautiful.
It's always nice to see nature from different points of view. I love how everything changes depending on where you are.
I totally agree. I'll definitely do more hikes like this. It's so good for the mind and body.
Thanks for watching.